guys, that is the very first wash of the Corvette and its new paint. Pretty much we're entirely done with this car. There's a few little things that we need to tidy up. The exhaust has yet to be done. Right now the axle back is missing, so it's totally drivable and everything. It's just a little bit louder. The old exhaust that I had is taken apart. I might put that back on. The exhaust that I wanted is on back order, so I don't know what to do about that, but that's pretty much the only thing we're waiting on. But we're gonna do an overview on the car, since this is pretty much the reveal video and how the car is gonna be for the duration of my ownership. Which this car is going to be for sale. It is for sale right now, I guess. By the time this video comes out, I'll probably have a post of all the information, everything. I'll probably put a post. I'll probably put a link in the bottom of this video if you're interested or anything like that. But we'll walk around the car. I'll show you everything that's been done in the car. We haven't really done a whole lot. It's really just a pretty simple wheels, coils, tires, you know, some seats, steering wheel, but we'll go around and kind of point everything out. We start in the interior, and obviously we got the NRG bucket seats, we got the steering wheel, just different shift knob, NRG harnesses, harness bar, that had to be a little bit custom made. And I just made some floor mats for this too, black, just because a lot of people don't really like the tan interior, so then I just made some black floor mats just to kind of darken up in here. But there is still some tan pieces in here, which is all right. Obviously, we got the screen that we put in here at Oscar's a couple months ago. That's touchscreen and Bluetooth and all that. What else did we do? That's pretty much it for the interior. It's all relatively simple build stuff. For the outside, we have the Heritage wheels, front and rear. These are triple chrome, full triple chrome. And then we got the Toyo Proxies wrapping them around. I don't know what to say, but and then we have the Powertrix coils that we're riding on. Other than that, the car is pretty much 100% factory. Even the factory color. We did just repaint this thing. It's pretty much finished. Could probably use a little bit more work, but for right now, it looks good. You know, it's all cut, buffed, and waxed, and so it looks pretty good. But if someone really wanted to take the time, they could make it a little bit better if they're really into that whole detailing thing, which I'm not. But right now, it looks really good, and I think we're going to take it out downtown, probably get some rollers.